So are you looking to build more intimacy in a relationship? Well, in this video, I'm going over a few simple building intimate exercises coming up. What's up guys, if we haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find helpful discussional topics to improve your self-care, as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. Also too, at any point in the video, make sure you check out the links in the show notes in the video description about today's topic, okay? Let's go. Okay, so one of the first things you can do is actually make meals together. Now there's something special about cooking together that just makes the atmosphere and the relationship so good. My parents do this time and time again. They will be in the kitchen and they'll be making some meals. They will be having some conversations, sharing jokes. It makes the connection so much stronger. And besides, who doesn't love food? Dishes! What about the dishes, Johann? Look, you gotta take care of it. You know, I'm pretty sure your partner would appreciate you when, you know, you're washing up the dishes and they just kind of like relaxing. They would appreciate that. Or, better yet, you guys could wash the dishes together. You know what they say too? Teamwork makes the dream work. And dream work makes the intimacy work. Your boy's a philosopher. Your boy's a philosopher. I should just write a freaking book. Okay, so between you and I, bonus points if you get super creative with this. I mean, like, super creative. You can surprise them. Now, that doesn't mean you have to go out and buy tickets to Dubai. Dubai drip in my Dubai shit. It can be something small as a bouquet of flowers, or their favorite food, or their favorite snack. So the point of the matter is, you don't have to wait until a special event or a special holiday to show your appreciation. It shows that they've been on your mind for like the most randomest of days, and that's what makes it very special. This next one sounds pretty obvious, but I feel like I have to mention it. I feel like every time I say that too, like, oh, I know I shouldn't be saying this, but I'll say it anyway because it's very important. But you gotta spice up your sex life, and there's many ways of doing that. I made a video called Horoscope Signs in Bed, where I basically go through every single horoscope sign and talk about what they like the most in bed. If you know your partner's sign and you establish, you know, the content, you know, what's inside that, you know, that video, I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a lot of the ain't nothing wrong with making love tonight. This one is pretty old school, but it has so much weight of authenticness that I feel like it's so powerful, and that's basically writing a letter. Yeah, writing your loved one a letter. You can definitely have fun with this. You can do something cheesy like, you are the apple of my eye, to something more serious like, I feel very special when you Or you could be completely random like myself and be like, hey babe, remember when we first went out on that date? I remember exactly what you had on. And when the first time I saw you, I was like, damn girl, you looking fine. God damn it, you look like a freaking snack. Just wanna, girl, bring that forehead over here, girl, let me just. I'm getting sick. I'm going over, well. Dishes. I can't speak English, guys. Hi, I can't speak English at all. That's my issue. Sometimes I speak and it comes out that done with it. Yo, fourth wall. This is my second time filming this video. My camera ran out of storage and it just completely stopped like mid-tier. So I'm like, are you serious right now?